My name is Gina Linares. I became an amputee in 2009. I got sick, I developed sepsis, and they had to administer suppressors, and that's how I lost my two limbs, both legs. I had been to different prosthesis, and they weren't able to fit me correctly. They were having a lot of problems. I'm excited because of fluctuation during the day. You either have to put on more socks or eventually take them back off sometimes once you get into the afternoon. So I think this is gonna really help feel a part of me. They've never felt a part of me. They're on me. They're tight. I can feel them working with me and not me having to work what I can't feel in my prosthetics. So I think that's pretty cool.